Hi folks, to replace the logo accent graphic with a larger or smaller version of that same graphic, open up your site, styles, and your theme.css. To start with, let's locate the logo section. There's a section there. And let's go down a little bit further and look for the navbar brand and the before. Right here is the background image that's being loaded in. We provide three sizes for the accent graphic. Logo BG MD for medium, logo BG SM for small, and logo BD LG for large. You can find these images right below by opening up the themed images and logo folder. There's the large, there's the medium, and there's the small. To have a smaller version, just simply change the MD to SM for small, or if you want a larger version, change the MD to LG for large. That'll put a larger image in. You can also create your own accent graphic or your own logo graphic, put it into the logo folder, and simply change the name of the graphic right here. Now, you can also position that graphic. By default, we have a position of bottom of 0. It'll be located at the very bottom part of the logo container. It's positioned middle of the container as well. If you were to remove left and transform, these two properties right here, you can now type in your own. You could put in a top with a pixel position of, say, 20 px. You can left of negative 30 px. You can use a negative if you want to position things. You can change the bottom to auto. So that way, if you're using a top, probably best to leave the bottom auto and remove this one right here. Or you can remove the left and put right. If you can spell it. And then you can put a pixel position from the right, also including a negative, like so. And that will move this image around within the top part of the logo container.